Hello everyone, I'm Rupert and let us talk about money. I am a senior financial consultant from Affinity Partners. Today, I'll be talking about some micro critical illness policy. From my previous critical illness video, I will share on the 36 standard critical illness from LIA's list. Because I start explaining, let us hear from my colleagues in my office on which critical illness do they encounter the most. Okay, sister, I want to ask you, what is the most common critical illness you encounter so far?
Stroke.
Hey bro, ask you, what is the most common critical illness you encounter so far?
I think might have to be stroke.
Hey bro, I want to ask you, what is the most common critical illness you encounter so far?
Heart attack.
Hi bro, I want to ask you, what is the most common critical illness you encounter so far?
For me, it's stroke, but statistically, prostate and breast cancer are most common.
Hey bro,
Hmm?
I ask you, what is the most common critical illness you face so far?
Cancer. I'll say cancer. Yeah.
Hey bro,
Yes, bro.
ask you, what is the most common critical illness you face so far?
Wow, most common. I think most common still cancer. I hear cancer more often.
Wait, sister, I want to ask you, what is the most common critical illness you encounter so far?
Most common?
Yeah.
Cancer lor.
Hey bro, ask you, what is the most common critical illness you encounter so far?
Wow, I think it will be breast cancer. Yeah.
From most of the response, you can see that cancer is the number one and most common critical illness around us. Just based on this, guess what? Insurers also understand this and they introduce plans that are even more focused on cancer. As this plan only covers cancer, most cancer plans underwritings are simplified and focused on cancer-related questions. This also means that if you have other conditions, they are not related to cancer, you can actually get this plan. As the society now show more emphasis on health and well-being, insurance policies evolves as well. Nowadays, there are also many types of policies that cover specific critical illnesses based on its popularity. For example, plans that cover the top 3 critical illness, cancer, stroke, and heart attack. Do you know that cancer survivor also might be able to get a cancer coverage too? There's actually a product in the market that covers cancer survivor whom has their cancer on remission for more than 3 years. And there's also a chance for people who used to have benign growth removed to get cancer coverage as well. If you have such medical history and interested to know more, just drop me a DM in Instagram. The top 3 common chronic conditions are hypertension, high cholesterol, and diabetes. These are the top 3 contributors to the top 3 cause of death in Singapore. Normally, when you declare any of these conditions during applications, there is a high chance for you to get a loading, exclusion, or even decline. But the good news here is that I have a solution for you. If you have a heart medical condition like myself, this kind of policy is one of the solutions you can consider in order to have some form of critical illness coverage. Because if you apply for a normal critical illness plan that covers the standard 36 from LIA, there is a high chance you will get rejected. In summary, we have explored what are the most common critical illness around us, the top 3 chronic conditions, the top 3 cause of death in Singapore, and some of the micro CI policies that are available in the market. My next video will be talking about personal accident policy. If you want to know more, just subscribe to my channel or follow me on IG to not miss out on the content that I will be posting, which will definitely benefit you and your wallet. Goodbye.